they will ask you this question. Let us discuss now here one reason assertion question. They will ask you, suppose the sky is appears to be blue. The sky is appears to be blue because of the blue light is scattered by the atmospheric particles, and as well as still the light reaching to the earth will appears to be white color only. That is what my assertion. Now reason I will give you, because the little amount of blue light is only scattered by the atmosphere, remaining of blue light is unaltered or unscattered blue light, which is along with another composition, remaining composition is reaching almost unaltered and is reaching to the earth, and that is why it is appears to be white color. So what is that? Both are correct or wrong? Anybody? Tell me please.
Sir, can you say the assertion again?
Now, assertion. The sky is appears to be blue, and the light which is reaching to the earth is appears to be white. That is the assertion. Now, reason. The sky is appears to be blue. Reason, understanding, and the light which is reaching to the earth is appears to be white. That is what assertion. Now, reason. Little amount of blue light is scattered by the atmosphere, and most of the blue light remains behind, unscattered, and it is almost unaltered. That is. So now you tell me which is correct, which is wrong.
Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation for assertion, sir.
Who said this?
Tarni, sir.
Tarani? Okay, very good, Tarani. Do you understand, Arvind, Nitinath, how they will ask you reason assertion? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, 90% of you people, what they will do mistake means, the statement what I am saying now, listen, observe very carefully. This is right or wrong, you tell me. Because you people are having a habit of reading only little words, small words you will read and you will keep the answer. Unless until you are not reading fully, you cannot. For example, I will give the statement, you tell me. Reason only, not assertion. For example, see. Most of the blue light is scattered, due to which the composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. Now, reason is right or wrong? Anybody? Can I repeat once again? Can I repeat once again, please, all of you? Can I say? The most of the blue light remains behind scattered, due to which the composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. Right or wrong? I want. If you want, again I will repeat.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong. Do you understand? Here, what is the difference?
Wrong.
This statement and previous statement, what is the difference? Anybody? Harini? Anusri? What is the difference? Can I write both statements? Anybody? Can I write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it.
Yes, sir.
First statement, just see one single letter, because we people don't have a reading of question paper thoroughly. With a hurry, we people read. What mistake will happen, you can see. Assertion, same assertion. Now reason, you can see. I will say, first statement, please note it down. Most of the blue light remains behind unscattered. What is that? Unscattered. Understand now? Unscattered, because as we know that only little amount will scatter. Correct or not, guys? Unscattered.
Yes, sir.
Due to which the composition means mixture of 7 colors. Understand? The composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. Unaltered. This is the first statement. Now, second statement, you write. I won't write. You have to write. Only you remove un. Instead of un, you keep scattered. Remaining everything is same. Most of the blue light remains behind scattered, due to which, understanding, which the composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. Now, which statement is right? Which statement is wrong? Second statement exactly right. Instead of unscattered, you write only scattered. That is what I said. Now, which is right and which is wrong? Let me know. Who will say first? Speak, Arya, Ashika. Which is correct, which is wrong? We know one statement I said. What you should remember? Only little amount of blue light is present in white sunlight is scattered by the atmosphere. That is enough to make the sky appears to be what? Blue color. Understand, guys? That is what the statement I should told you. Now, I told you already. Now you tell me which statement you tell me. Karthikeyan, I am not hearing you. Please tell me, Arun Karthikeyan, Dina, Pranav, Tarani. Nobody? Speak, any one of you can say. Nitinath, Kevin, which is the correct statement? This one or second one? I can write that too also. What I will do? You people are not responding.
The first one is the correct statement, sir.
Behind scatter, I am writing here. Instead of unscattered, scatter, I am writing. Due to which the composition.
The first one, correct statement.
Composition of sunlight remains almost unaltered. So which one? Anybody? Tarani, you are saying something, Tarani?
First one, correct statement, sir.
First one is correct statement, second one is wrong, because as we know that only little amount of light will scatter. Here, as you people know, you all will read first line alone. By coming to the second line, you will think, yeah, this statement already you know, you will choose reason is also correct. But unfortunately, they will give scattered instead of unscattered. Then reason is wrong. Is it yes or no? That is why I will always remember, read the question completely, then only you choose the option. That is what my first suggestion to everybody. Unless until read till last question, or else suppose see, I will change unaltered become altered, remains almost, or else I will remove that. Sunlight will altered. Then also it is wrong statement only. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So we don't know where the words will change in the given sentence. So that is why read the sentence fully, then only you can answer. Understand? So this is all about why the sky appears to be blue. Now we are going to study, suppose if there is no atmosphere, because of atmosphere, all of you listen very carefully. Because of atmosphere, how the sky appears to be raw? What is the color of the sky? What is the color of the sky? Blue color. Now, blue. No atmosphere. If no atmosphere, then what is the color of the sky? That is what my what. What is the color of the sky?
What color, sir?
Huh?
White color.
Then, white color? Early sunrise.
Black.
Please remember, if there is no atmosphere, no bending of light will take place. Then, how the light will reach us to the earth? Tarani? How the light will reach us to the earth? It will go into space, correct or not? So what is the color?
Yes.
If there is no atmosphere, no light will reach.
Dark color, dark.
What is that?
Dark color.
That is. So all the brainless people, they will keep, if there is no atmosphere, they will keep immediately white color, because they will think that all the light will reach us to. All the light will reach.
Black color.
Yeah, it will reach us to the earth so that it is
Black
appears.
color.
But if there is
Black
no
color,
atmosphere, if there is
Black
no
color, sir.
atmosphere,
Black color.
no light, no bending of light will takes place, no refraction of light will take place, so that no light will reach us to the earth. It will go in a straight line. Understanding? It will never come to the earth. So that what is happening? It is appears to be black color. Understand, guys?
Black color.
You should remember.
Black color.
Please write it. Write all of you this statement. That is why you can see astronomers, the sky, the earth is appears to be water. What is the color of the earth for the astronomers? Because
Black color.
black color only, or else dark color, because no atmosphere present in the space. Purinjicha, all of you. So that is why no scattering of light will take place. That is why they cannot appear to, they will always able to see the earth is looks like a black. That's a black planet. That's all. Write it. If the earth had no atmosphere, very, very important point. This is only MCQs and as well as recent assertion. If the earth had no atmosphere, if the earth had no atmosphere consisting of air, what will happen first? No scattering of light will take place. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but before that, what will happen? No refraction of light will take place. Correct or not? First, need to bend the light, then only scattering. Yes or no? No scattering of light will take place. No scattering of sunlight at all. So, no light from the sky would have entered into our eyes, so that the sky would have looked dark and black to us. Understand? No scattering of light. No light reaches to our eyes, so that how it will appear, Kevin, Dina? It is appears to be
Dark black color.
dark. It is appears to be dark and black. Black to us. Please correct. Black to us. Understand, Nitinath, Nitish, Dina, Akil Arfan? Please write. Next, in outer space, in astronomers, means out of space. Suppose you future, if you people will go to astron, like a space. From by the time if you look the earth or else sky from the space, then how it will appear? That is what it is. Like in outer space, the sky looks dark and black. What is that? Dark and what? Dark and black instead of blue. Why? What is the reason? Anybody? Because why? Ram?
No atmosphere.
But that's all. Say confidently, because no atmosphere. In where? No atmosphere in outer space. Understanding? That is. No atmosphere in outer space. So, no atmosphere, what will happen? There is no atmosphere, no scattering light, no scattered light reaches to our eyes in the outer space. That is why the sky looks dark and black there. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? So that is the reason astronauts who go to outer space find the sky to be dark and black instead of which color? Instead of blue color. Because of why? Because no atmosphere is present in outer space. So if no atmosphere, what is happening, Ra? No scattering of light.
Reflection and scattering of light.
Yeah, no scattering of light will take place. If no scattering of light, no light will reach us to eyes. Understanding? No light reaches to eyes. So that's all. So that it is not happening to anything. So strictly you have to remember these two things. Very, very important. From this definitely one MCQ will come. Surely 100% will come this. This is what you have to remember. Now, the most important thing after this you should know. If you go to the danger signal light, suppose if you go lighthouse in the beaches. Do you know lighthouses? Yes or no? Port areas, ocean port areas will be having this lighthouses. Means a tall building will be there. In the tall building top, one red color light signal will be falling. Have you noticed it? It is directing the and all. So this is called as lighthouses. And as well as wherever you will traveling in the traffic, always the red color is for keeping the stop. For stop the vehicles, they will keep which light? Red color light. Understand? Now why the danger
More wavelength.
Since it is least scattered by
More
far.
wavelength.
danger signal danger signal lights are red in color. That is what I want. Danger signal lights are red in color. Please tell me.
Sir, it has more wavelength.
This least scattered.
Speed is more. Sir.
Speed is more. That is the only reason. I want 3 reasons. I will ask you MCQ like because of a longer wavelength, because of high speed, because of least scattered. D option, all of the above. E option, none of the above. What is the correct answer? Anybody?
All of the above.
All of them.
That is what I am saying. So danger signal, right? Danger signal lights are red in color because the first reason. What is the 3 reasons totally? What is the first reason? Longer.
wavelength.
What is that?
Longer wavelength.
Longer wavelength. That is what the importance of learning this. Longer wavelength means what will happen? Least scattered. Understand? Least scattered. So longer wavelength means what is that? Maximum speed. What is that?
Maximum speed.
Maximum speed. So because of this 3 reason, understanding. So the red light is least scattered by fog or smoke particles, whatever it is, fog or smoke particles or any atmospheric particles. So because of this reason, due to this, the red light can be seen the same color even from a longer distance also. The person who is come, suppose here they have been arranged 3 signals, red, yellow and green, correct or not? So if you'll observe all of you, so what is happening, Ra? This red light, even though it is appears to be what? For a longer distance. What is that?
Longer wavelength.
Understanding, longer distance, because of it can travel much more faster. It is least scattered by the atmospheric particles like fog or smoke, etc. That is the reason always in every danger signals and all, they will be keep red signals only, the red signal lights. Understand? And as well as lighthouses, movies and all, you may watch some movies. Yes or no? So any kind of ship and all, how they will travel night time, sir? They cannot see the surroundings and all, only dark color. So how they will travel, Ra? Because of what? They are having a direction of red color signal light, which will travel very longer light. So based upon that only they will identify the port, understanding where the land is coming. So the based upon that, they will alter the directions and they will travel towards to that. That will give the indication. It will always rotate in all the, like these directions. Understand, Ra? Like this randomly 180 directions it used to rotate. So that based upon that, whatever the direction the ship is coming, it will be diverted towards to the beach or port. Understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what. And also you can see those who are going for mining, inside the mining ground, they used to eat the headlight. The headlight, most of the light, it will be emitted like a red color light only. Why the red color light? Because of longer wavelength. Understanding? Because of longer wavelength and shorter, understanding, lesser frequency. It can be visible very clearly, even the darkness inside the mining. Do you understand, guys? Very high. Understand? So because of high wavelength, that light can be make the object visible very clearly, even though for longer distance and very deep inside that. That is why that is also they are using there. Like this. These all are the examples of understanding why the wavelength, frequency, and speed of the light is matters. Because this all the things is based upon what? Under the scattering of light only. What is that? Scattering of light only. So anyhow, now almost the time is over. So now remaining 2 concepts. Early morning tomorrow we will finish this chapter surely. So that tomorrow what is the concept we'll study? Why the sun appears red during sunrise and sunset, and as well as one experiment to study the scattering of light. These 2 things we'll discuss in the morning. With that we'll finish this chapter, and later we'll practice some exercise questions regarding this MCQs, reason assertion and all. So with this I will stop the today's class. If you want anything you want to ask me. If not, you can leave from the meeting. Thank you so much all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.